Hi, this is Nick with Candles and Favors. In the last video, we discussed the basics of our customization interface. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to add text. One of the first things that you may notice when you go to add text to a personalized product such as this invitation is that it already has text on it. The reason there's already text on the invitation is our design staff has decided to choose the best fonts and font colors, as well as give you placeholders for the most important information you may need to put on your invitations, such as RSVP date, honoree, and contact information. As mentioned in the previous video, each personalized product's text is broken up into what we call text groups. Each text group will have the following options: text type, text size, text color, and whether the text is left-handed, center, or right-hand alignment. To add text, simply select the line where you wish to change the text and type. It's as simple as that. Whenever you see a text group with numbers such as this, 1 and 2 here, this means that you can change the text type or font for each individual line in this text group. So everywhere you see a 2 selected, this font will be chosen, and everywhere you see a 1 selected, this font will be chosen. This gives you the power to really use a lot of different text types throughout your invitation. So for example, if we want to change the text type with everything with a 2 selected, we would go to the number 2 on the top of the text group and select a different font. And in real time, you would see your changes happen. The square that shows each text group on the invitation or personalized product also serves as a boundary for you to maintain. What I mean by that is that you must try to maintain your text within that boundary at all times. Text that overflows past that box will not print correctly. As you can see here with our current text type and text size, we've gone over that boundary. So there's two things that we can do here to make this invitation fit better. First thing is we have a lot of space over here, so we can delete that space. And that seems to have worked, but I think I'd also like to decrease this text size a tad bit. So this is text group 1 and it's text type 2. So I go to text type 2, I hit this selector over here, and I just adjust that slide so I can make the text size the way I like it to look. There, that looks perfect. At any time while you're adding text to your product, you decide that you'd like to add or remove a line of text. It's very simple. Select the line that you'd like to remove and hit the delete key, and that will remove that line. If you wish to add a line, select the line above where you would like to add the line and hit return, and that will add the line for you. If at any time that you feel things have gone horribly wrong and you want to bring the invitation or whatever product you're personalizing back to the way it was, simply refresh your browser and everything will go back to the way it was when you first came onto the invitation, and you can start all over again. Once you're finished with your invitation, you're happy with the way it looks, you've proofread it and checked your dates and spelling, simply go down to the bottom of the page. You're able to adjust the quantity if you wish at this point, and you can click on the Add to Cart. You're asked to put in your initials, saying that you've read everything and everything looks right, and hit the Approve button, and you'll be taken to checkout.